What is x in the sequence 132, 129, 124, 117, 106, 93 and x? Here the gap between 132 and 129 is 3 and 129 and 124 is 5, and the gap between these two is 7, and gap between these two is 11, and the difference between these two is 13. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. The next number will be 17 as a prime number. So the next number will be 93 minus 17, that is 76. Here the answer will be 76. C is the correct answer. In this sequence, as it is decreasing, the value in the next term is decreasing, so that's why we did subtraction, and the answer is 76. A simple mathematical operation in each number of sequence 14, 18 and 20, 24, 30, 32 results in sequence with respect to prime numbers. Which of the following is next number in the sequence? Which one of the following is the next number in the sequence? Okay, and it is going with respect to prime numbers. Okay, here 14, 18, 20. So the prime number before 14 is 13. The prime number before 18 is 17. So the prime number before 14 is 13. The prime number before 18 is 17. The prime number before 20 is 19. And then for 23, for 24 there is 23 as prime number before it, and 30, 29, and then before 32 there is 31 as prime number, 31, and in this sequence the next term will be 37. 37 is the next prime number, and here it is saying which one of the following is the next number in the sequence. So 38 will be the answer. 37 plus 1, that is 38, because they are the next number of the respective prime numbers. So 38 will be the answer. What is x in the sequence 4, 196, 16, 144, 36, 164 and x? Here we have the relation with 4 and 16, 16 and 36, 36, 64, 196, 144, 144, 100, 100 to x. Okay, and we know that 4 is the square of 2, and 16 is the square of 4, and 36 is the square of 6, 64 is the square of 8. Here the number is increasing by 2 plus 2, and here 196 is the square of 14, 144 is the square of 12, and 100 is the square of 10. Then this is the 8 square. It should be 8 square because it is decreasing by 2 here. So this will be 8 square equal to 64. B is the correct answer. here 4 December 1995, 1st January 1996, 29th January 1996, 26th February 1996. Okay, and we have to find out what is the next term of the series. And 1996 is a leap year. So it has 29 days in February month. And if we find gap between these two dates, we get 28 days. 28. Okay. Gap between these two dates is 28 days, and these two dates is also 28 days, and these two dates is also 28 days. So the next day will be after 28 days. And here 26th Feb means next 27th, 28, 29 Feb, sorry, it is 29 Feb. Then after 3 days, then in the next month 25th March will be the answer. So here 25th March 1996 will be the answer here. So here is only the 28 days gap between the two dates, and the next day will be 28 days after the previous date. So this is the answer. And what is the value of x in the sequence 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, x and 1822? Here the number is increasing by a large number, so I think here something is multiplying. Okay, 2, 7, 722. If we multiply 2 into 3, then it will be 6, plus 1, then it will be 7, and then 7 into 3, that is 21, plus 1, it will be 22. And the next term 22 into 3 plus 1, then it will be 27. So it is going like into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 1. So next term will be 202 into 3 plus 1, that is 607. 202 into 3 means 606, and plus 1 is 607, and 607 into 3 plus 1 is 6 3 21. Yes, it is obviously 1822. So the next term after 202 will be 607. Okay, find the next term of the sequence 97, 89, 83, 79, 73, 71, 67. Okay, it is showing that they are all prime numbers and they are decreasing. So after 67 there will be 61. So 61 is the prime number here, the next prime number. Find the next term of the sequence 5, 6, 14, 45, 184. Okay, here 5, then 6. 5 into 1 plus 1. If we do this, we will get 6. Then 6 into 2 plus 2, we will get 14, and then 14 into 3 plus 3 will get 45, and 45 into 4 plus 4, then we will get 184. And then next 184 into 5 plus 5 equal to 925. 925 we will get, and that is the answer here. And the sequence is going like 5 into 1 plus 1, 6 into 2 plus 2, 14 into 3 plus 3, 5 into 4 plus 4, 184 into 5 plus 5, that is 925.